Hello, my name is Prajakta Yadav. I am a student of Britsang Training Center. Today I am going to discuss a technical topic about sources of adverse event report. So let's start with the topic. Adverse event reports play a critical role in identifying and managing risk associated with medical products, including drugs, medical devices, and vaccines. These reports provide essential data for post marketing surveillance, helping regulators, manufacturers, and healthcare providers ensure product safety. This document explores the sources of adverse event reports, the mechanisms for reporting, and their importance in healthcare system. So, what are the adverse event reports? An adverse event refers to any undesirable experience associated with the use of a medical product in a patient. It may include physical symptoms, psychological effects, or unexpected reactions. It does not necessarily imply causality between the product and the event but warrants investigation. Key types of adverse events: serious adverse events, life threatening events, hospitalization, disability, or death. Non serious adverse events, less severe but still warranting attention for potential patterns. Product quality issues, problems like contamination, defective packaging, or mislabeling. Sources of adverse event reports. Adverse event reports can originate from various stakeholders across the healthcare ecosystem. The primary sources include healthcare professionals. Healthcare professionals are one of the most reliable sources of adverse event reports due to their medical expertise and direct patient interactions. Physicians observe and document adverse reactions during treatment. Nurses report adverse events observed during bedside care or medication administration. Pharmacists identify issues related to medication dispensing and patient counseling. Patients and consumers. Patients and their caregivers are increasingly empowered to report adverse events directly. Advantages: provides real world insight into the patient's experience and includes unfiltered information. Challenges: reports may lack clinical details or be subject to bias. Clinical trials. Adverse events occurring during clinical trials are critical for understanding the safety profile of a medical product. Phase 1 trials focus on safety and tolerability. Phase 2 and Phase 3 trials identify more comprehensive safety data and rare side effects. Post marketing studies continue monitoring safety after product approval. Regulatory agencies, national and regional regulatory bodies collect and analyze adverse event data. For example, FDA's MedWatch in United States, EMA's Vigilance in Europe, WHO's VGBase for global pharmacovigilance. Manufacturers, pharmaceutical and medical device companies have a legal obligation to monitor and report adverse events associated with their products. They collect reports via call centers, patient assistance programs, sales representatives. Literature and research publication. Scientific articles and case studies often report rare or unexpected adverse events. Regulatory authorities monitor peer reviewed journals for such information. Social media and online platforms. Social media and online health forums have emerged as new sources of adverse event data. Advantages: provide real time information. Challenges: data may be unverified, incomplete, or anecdotal. Poison control centers. These centers often receive reports about overdoses, medication errors, or adverse drug reactions. Mechanism for reporting adverse events. Spontaneous reporting systems. These systems rely on voluntary submissions from HCPs, patients, and manufacturers. For example, MedWatch, FDA, Yellow Card Scheme of UK. Mandatory reporting systems. Some regulations require healthcare institutions or manufacturers to report specific types of adverse events, especially serious ones. Active surveillance systems. Active systems proactively collect data through methods like patient registries or periodic follow ups. For example, FDA's Sentinel initiative. Digital tools and apps. Mobile applications and online portals make reporting more accessible. For example, FDA's MedWatcher app, WHO's Uppsala Monitoring Center tools. Importance of adverse event reports. Signal detection. Reports help identify patterns of adverse events, signaling potential safety issues. Risk benefit assessment allows ongoing evaluation of a product safety and efficacy. Regulatory actions. Adverse event data inform decisions like updating product labels, issuing safety warnings, withdrawing unsafe products from the market. Improving patient safety helps healthcare professionals make informed decisions and improve patient outcomes. Challenges in adverse event reporting. Underreporting. Many adverse events go unreported due to lack of awareness, perception that the event is insignificant. Data quality. Incomplete or inaccurate reports can limit the usefulness of adverse event data. Bias. Reports may be influenced by media coverage or legal concerns. Duplication. Multiple reports for the same event can complicate analysis. Future directions in adverse event reporting. Big data and AI. Using advanced analytics to identify trends and patterns in large datasets. Enhance reporting tools. Developing user friendly apps and platforms for easier reporting. Public awareness campaigns. Educating patients and healthcare professionals about the importance of reporting. Global collaboration. Improving data sharing between countries to enhance pharmacovigilance efforts. Adverse event reports are invaluable for ensuring the safety of medical products and protecting public health. By leveraging multiple sources and improving the reporting mechanism, stakeholders can detect risk earlier, take corrective actions, and foster trust in healthcare system. So today we discussed about the all the sources of adverse event reporting sources. Thank you for listening. Thank you again.